Hello, welcome to A Guy and His Projects. Today we are going to be changing the final drive fluid in a 2001 Yamaha V Star 1100 Classic. All we're doing today, so right now we're mid-project of going dark side. If you don't know what dark side is, look at watch my video I have posted and linked below. Dark side is essentially when you take the rear tire of your motorcycle and you make it into a car tire. Make it into a car tire, you put a car tire on your rear wheel. Double dark side is when you take your car tire on the back and you take your back tire and move it to the front. So essentially you have a rear motorcycle tire on the front and a car tire on the back. That's double dark side. We are only dark side for now. That may change futuristically, but today that's what we got. Back to the point at hand, we are doing the final drive fluid. That's the oil. All we're doing is just changing it out. Okay, draining the fluid on these bikes is super simple, nothing to be afraid of. I jacked the bike up so that the rear tire is off the ground and put it in neutral only so I can spin it as I drain it. I don't have to do that, that's not a requirement, it's just my preference. You're going to grab your 17mm socket and your ratchet, put it on your drain bolt, and just pop her loose. Okay, while it's draining, you can come up here and you can pop your fill plug off. While that drains, you can go get a new crush gasket for this plug. Okay, so while that's draining, just clean off your magnet. Mine is clean because, like I said, there's only 30 miles on it. If it was dirty, I'd be worried. From here, you're going to look in your manual and figure out what your torque specs are for it. And then you're going to torque it to spec. Right there. I'm going to grab your new fluid, pour it in. Find my fluid first. Okay, I am just using some 75 or 7590 gear oil, full synthetic. It'll last you a long time. I change it every oil change because it's super cheap. If you have saddlebags that are low hanging hard like I do, it is not always easy to get this fluid in. So I just take your tube, shove it over the end, push this in here, and essentially you're just going to fill it until it starts flowing out. However, before you do that, it's oftentimes beneficial to take this stupid wrapper off. Alright, let's try that again. Shove your hose on. Okay, once you're full, you're full. Just take your thing, take your cover plug with the new gasket on it. And again, torque the specs according to what's in your manual. I'm not going to say what my manual is because I don't want you to assume yours is the same and then yell at me later. That's it, my friends. Recycle your oil, take it to your local store, whoever you have around you that accepts that. AutoZone, O'Reilly's, or whoever. I've never been charged for it, so there's no reason not to recycle it. And it's bath day for this thing anyway, so go give it a bath, clean her up. Alright, if you liked what you saw, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe with this little teensy weensy button. It's pretty hard to click on. I challenge you to click it anyway. I know it's tiny, but I think you can do it. I do projects around the house on the vehicles, and whatever I happen to be doing, I've been trying to film it to put on this channel. So if you're interested, then yeah, definitely subscribe. Other than that, thanks for watching the channel. Bye.